The third one is self-awareness. Self-awareness means knowing ourselves, our tone of voice, gestures, expressions, or even our emotions. A mindful speaker knows how they appear others and how their words affect their listener. So, this helps you adjust the way of speaking so that the learners can understand and relate to you better. The fourth one is listening is important, just speaking. By listening carefully to questions or reactions, we show respect and improve our communication. In communication, listening and speaking are the two sides of the same coin. Mindful listening means giving our full attention to the speaker without judgment or distraction. And lastly, the benefits of teaching practice. Mindful communication builds respect, reduces misunderstanding, and creates a positive and respectful learning environment. When teachers and students practice a mindful communication, the classroom becomes safe and positive space. This promotes mutual respect, patience, and empathy. So, as a future educators and teachers, listening is not just a skill, but a habit of the one heart that leads to our communication become respected, clearly, and nicely. And that's all. Thank you.